Hey everybody, my name is Allison Ostrander. I'm the Director of Risk Tolerance here at Simpler Trading. And in today's video, I want to discuss PLTR. Now, this is a trade that I was in recently. I took a quick profit on Friday on this bounce up, but I do still think there's a lot of room still left to the upside, which is why I decided to jump back into it and why I think it's still viable to do so as of right now. The reason why is that there is a nice daily squeeze setting up down here. We had a recent true low, which is usually a discount price signal for a bigger move to the upside, which is what we have seen happen in the past, like back here for this current run, or back here for this run up as well. We're starting to get a bullish signal on the compound breakout tool. Momentum's building up with room to move higher. But on top of the daily squeeze that's happening in this overall bullish trend, there is also a 4-hour squeeze that remains valid with a bullish signal on the compound breakout tool. Plenty of room for momentum to continue higher. Bollinger Bands are starting to flare open. The 10 is attempting to roll off the 30 to go back into a bullish trend. And so I like these intraday squeezes. The hourly squeezes just started to fire. But I like the 4-hour still being valid. I like the daily still being valid. And what I really like too is that there's plenty of room on momentum left to trade this to the upside. Currently, my re-entry is out in the June monthly expiration using the 134, 139 strikes, a 5-point width spread, just to play into kind of this next range to the upside. Another trade idea to consider on this, if you're like me and like the idea of this continuing higher, might be to go and give yourself a little bit more time, maybe out to August. And if it's within your risk tolerance, perhaps just jumping into a long call out of the money. If that's a little rich for you, but you do like the idea of this just being a trend move to continue higher, consider reducing your risk by either something like a 10-point call debit vertical spread or perhaps a broken wing butterfly. This is a very small risk of 155, has a max profit potential of 845, and if PLTR just really explodes and this is completely in the money by expiration, would still allow for a 345 profit. So excellent risk versus reward scenarios there. But PLTR is definitely one I am keeping on my watch list and currently actively trading. So we'll see.